Hey, welcome back, Tyler, Theater Design Company. We're a Seattle-based integration company and uploading all of our vintage Speakerlab catalogs from 1972 all the way up to 1986. This is actually the insert that would be in one of the mid-80s catalogs. It's 6 pages, and it's pretty cool. It's got some mail order information, but what's nice about it, it's got all the pricing and a lot of model numbers. So a pretty neat little 6-page insert that would be in a catalog. Example, this was out of the 1982 original catalog that we have. Thanks a lot.